This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey, let's do something super unusual and interesting today, huh? Yay, finally! I haven't been to the beach for ages. I didn't actually mean the beach. Meh, laying on the beach, not cool. We better take a nap. Nap again, sleepyhead, like it's much more fun. She is always like that, sleeping or napping. Girls, don't fight, let's find something that everyone likes, huh? Well, yeah, let's shoot TikToks and take selfies. Boring. Do you have a better idea? Huh? Way cooler than yours. What's so funny? Oh, it's so difficult to deal with all of them. Help! Help! Ah!
What is that noise all about? There are so many voices here. Wait, so it was one and the same doll the whole time?
What did you think? And it's very easy to make it. Guys, see for yourselves.
Oh, wait for me! Hi guys, today we're gonna make an awesome doll from cardboard.
Yeah! Naturally, we'll start with the preparation of the details. Grab your pencils and let's go!
When all the details are drawn and cut out, you can outline the edges. These black lines all along the pieces can be made with regular marker. Okay, a bit here, and that's it.
Sue, look, is everything right?
Sammy.
Just kidding! Let me help you! Move over! Oh! Looks like there's been a minor accident! Oh.
Poor Sam. I'll give you another piece. Here, paint this. Let me just add a couple of touches. And I'm done with the doll. Check her out, guys.
Oh, here come the lights! Wow, a bunch of them! Guys, give us some more!
Hey, you blogger! Can you help me with this drawing? I definitely can't do it without you.
Give me a sec! Oh, the right image is ready and I'm coming!
Let's start coloring. I'll take care of her rosy cheeks because pink is my favorite color.
Oh, well, in that case I should deal with the eyes? Okay!
A little bit more. You, and that's it. All that we've left to do is cut it out.
Yeah, well you can handle this without me. In the meantime, Slime Designer will pick up new clothes for the doll!
And I have everything ready. So how's my favorite designer doing?
Shiver me cheddars! This is a disaster! Everything is too small for her! Even though she's a doll!
Then let's make her new outfits. Hold on for a second.
So what are you doing? Are you putting gum in here? Ugh, get it out!
Wait, Sam, it's just a piece of special sticky rubber. See? Now we can attach and detach the pieces even for 1,000 times. How cool is that?
Holy cannoli! So cool! Sam, pull yourself together! Maybe it's time to start designing your clothes, huh? I'm tired of waiting!
Okay, Sammy, we'll have it your way. But what are we gonna draw?
Ha! I already have a sketch! I was inspired, and this is what I got out of it!
No, that's not it! It doesn't fit at all! Where are the colors? Where is the brightness?
Oh, sorry! You can't be pleased, huh? Here, decorate everything yourself!
Sammy, don't worry. You are still a great stylist.
Of course.
Guys, check it out! Everything suits her so well. She can go to some beach party right away, right?
Susie, give me something to try on her too, please, for just a minute!
No can do! Oh!
Holy mozzarella, she's fainting! We need an ambulance! Hurry up!
Coming right up!
We don't have much time!
Let's first provide support under her left shoulder, then under the right one. That's it. Sam, she's coming to her senses! Here we go! Well, wasn't that a miracle?
Oh, hail the great Tibidada! After stress like this, we'll go restore her nerves in a beauty salon! Coming through! Should we start with a haircut in the paper beauty salon?
So many colors! Which one to choose? Oh, I know! Let our doll be red-haired!
We will take a photo before the transformation! Say slime! Great!
Guys, just look at what hairstyle we've got. Let's try it on. Carefully, like this.
The hair is a bit too long, Susie, especially in the front. How should I put it? It doesn't look quite right.
No worries, I will fix everything right now.
Aha! She will have beautiful bangs! There is no cool hairstyle without funny bouncy curls, huh? Let's bring them in! There you go, Sue!
That's awesome, Sammy!
Aha! Susie, while you were curling her, I made this bow.
Sammy, that's exactly what we need!
I knew that!
But I wasn't idling my thumbs either. I've made this pendant and sunglasses. Oh, what a beauty! And this is how well the necklace looks on her. Here comes the ultra-fashionable sunglasses. Let's fix her bangs. Oh, she's so pretty. Give a thumbs up if you agree, guys. Just check out this fashionista. She totally should be on the cover of a magazine.
Sue, help! Ah!
Sammy, what's going on?
Her fans lost their mind! We need a new cover! Stop!
Then let's get to it. I hope she would like blonde hair. And whoosh! That's a trick. Even her pretty bangs are here. But different hairstyle is not enough. We need to completely change her.
Sue, what if we change her face features? Huh? No one will acknowledge her for sure!
That's such a great idea. Give it to me.
Always happy to help!
Guys, now our doll is definitely going to become unrecognizable. Look what a perky cutie we've got. And here's how she sends you her air kisses. Mwah, mwah. We will replace the necklace with a bold choker. Perfect match. And we'll complete her look with a trendy earring. I wish I had one like this too. Let's curl her hair a little, just as we did before.
Susie, I have something better here! Ha-ha!
A curler? Yes, that's brilliant, Sammy! Well, we'll pinch the strand, wind it up a little, and then hold.
Would you just look at this coolest hairpin ever?
We nearly forgot about it. Thanks, Sammy.
Sure, no problem.
And finally, her look is complete. Who's gonna say that this is the same doll?
Hey, who's going to the salon with me today? Let's do that! I'll show you everything! Oh, here's my favorite master! Say hi, Sam! Oh, hello everyone! Come on, let's go wash your hair! Yup, let's go!
Just relax, take a deep breath. We'll get your hair done soon.
Oh, this is so good! You will be shocked. I added a special ingredient to the shampoo. You see? Whoa!
So is everyone ready? On the count of 1, 2, 3. Oh, what happened?
Calm down, don't yell, mademoiselle. You're not done yet. A trendy haircut will fix everything. Yo, I guess she sleeps.
Let's make her a mask so that she sleeps till the end of the makeover. Like this. Now she will only have aerial dreams.
Oh, so we're not gonna decorate her hairdo? Oh well.
Of course we'll do that. Don't be upset. Better bring on the accessories.
In a blink of an eye. Oh, come on, Sue. We already had a fun doll, then a flirty doll, and now we've got a sleepy head. And I am something else. Check this out, Sue.
Wow, it's a little flamingo. Oh, what a cutie. It is perfect for decorating the top of our doll. Look.
You know what's weird? We had a blonde, a brunette, and a redhead. But there was no doll with pink hair.
You're right. How could we do without pink, right? But we can easily make one right now.
Huh? Who was there? Whoa! Sugary chatters! That's the speed, Susie!
I had someone to learn from, Sammy. And also, I made her fashionable braids. Looking cool, huh?
Wait, I've got an excellent idea!
What are you talking about?
Take these elastics, Sue, so that our braids hold tight.
Oh, right. Thanks, Sammy.
Yeah, that's nothing. So, what should I do now? Oh, I know! I'm gonna draw something! Everybody's gonna be shocked!
Well, Sammy, when are you going to surprise us? We can't wait!
I'm coming! Here you go, Susan! It's all the rage!
Seriously? Huh, I like the look of this. Let's try it on. Oh, this really suits her.
I told you so! Let's go look in the mirror! Ah! Ouch, Sammy, you need to be careful! Oops, I'm sorry. Forgive me, please. Oh, what's with the face now?
She seems to be very unhappy with you.
And you shouldn't have walked around with your eyes closed.
Very funny, Susan. Oh, what do you think if I give her a present? Will she forgive me?
I don't think she's angry anymore, Sammy, so relax. But this doll is gonna be a rebel. Here we go. And the print on her top is just right. Arr!
Hey, I don't get it. Where are my girlfriends? Oops, my bad. Let's show them all to the viewers now. Come with me.
Mwah. Nah.
That's right. You don't say. He's always in such a hurry.
Hey, are you talking about me? I have to hear that.
What are you talking about, Sammy? And who are we?
Guys, do you understand what just happened? I'm completely lost.
At least that was quite fun.
Oh, please don't pay any attention to me. Oh, like I deserve any attention. Just pretend I'm not here.
Not even a cuddle can help her. Aw. Let's just say that she thinks everyone has forgotten her birthday.
It's her birthday?
So you did forget.
Nobody told us.
Oh no, this is awful. Okay, we need to think of a great idea to make today the best birthday Elizabeth ever had.
Exactly. We'll throw her a big party.
Oh, I have big news, big news. Oh, I can't talk about it. Oh, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Zsa, what is it? I saw a troubadour's boat. A troubadour. Apparently, he's on his way to Magic-y. And I saw him with a guitar. Tonight. He's probably coming to give a special private concert for you. Oh, it's so exciting.
A concert tonight?
I have a great idea. Elizabeth, how would you like to have a concert to celebrate your birthday?
A concert for my, for me?
Zsa, invite the whole kingdom to the concert in honor of Countess Elizabeth. Bye.
Sydney, be honest. Do you prefer this side or this side?
Ah, princesses, there you are. I have amazing, exceptional, fantastic.
Out with it already.
There, if you insist. Tonight, a concert will be held at Billy's Castle, featuring a troubadour. He's called Trumpet. With a name like that, he must be fun, right? See, you must come. I can't wait. I have to tell everyone else.
Hold on. In the meantime, we'll just make 1 or 2 little changes to the invitation. Okay, Zsa, you can go and invite everyone. But you know the concert is now at our castle, not Billy's.
Oh dear. I'll have to go back and tell everyone again. Bye.
Vedas! There is no way that a troubadour is going to sing for Elizabeth and the rest of the kingdom. He's going to sing for us and for us alone. Find us that troubadour!
Balloons? Oh, this can't be for my little old birthday. Oh, Sir Kitty Cat, you're such a kidder.
Yeah, I meant to do that.
Hello, everyone. Can I borrow some chairs? Zsa has invited so many people to the Twin Princesses concert that we've run out of seats.
Huh, the Twin Princesses concert? What are you talking about?
Aren't you getting mixed up with this concert?
I'm not mixed up. They're having a troubadour concert. The invitation is very clear. He's called Crumpet, I think. Or Trumpet. I can't remember.
Sounds like Zsa got things mixed up again.
Oh, Zsa!
You do know she never comes when you really need her.
We have to find her before she invites everybody to the wrong concert.
And we better do it fast, or there won't be anyone here for Elizabeth's birthday.
Zsa! Yo! You called? Yes, we were getting worried. I think you've got a bit mixed up with the invitations. The concert is here, not at the Twin Princesses Castle. Really? But I just followed what it says on the poster.
Huh, it's another one of the twins' mean tricks.
But how are they gonna organize a concert without Trumpet the Troubadour? He's coming to play a concert here, invited by our princess, right? Isn't he, Billy?
Huh? A trumpet concert without Trumpet? You're right. It doesn't make any sense.
Help!
What's going on?
That must be him. The sound's coming from the harbor.
It's a concert for my birthday!
So, where is he then?
Trumpet the Troubadour was arrested for entering the twins' territory carrying a guitar, something which has been against the law since, half hour ago.
But I always play guitar. Please do something, Your Highness. I'm sorry, but I'm not. Stop!
Poor thing! He's being held prisoner!
Look! Concert confirmed. Tonight only. We have to rescue Trumpet the Troubadour.
And make sure that Countess Elizabeth gets her birthday party!
Yeah!
What?
Look, they're holding him prisoner over there. The problem is those fur balls guarding him.
The area is secure. Yes. Yes, we can start the concert soon.
That's odd. There's his guitar way over there.
So, they're having a concert without a guitar?
How can he play the guitar if he's all tied up? Wait! I have an idea! Truman, you go on stage and play guitar. Come with me!
Sir, no one's allowed on stage.
Relax. I'm the guitar player. The concert is about to start, isn't it?
It's a concert. Someone's got to play the guitar. Guitar's allowed. Let him in.
I'm here to set you free. I'm gonna play guitar. You're going to sing. Excuse me, but I just.
Right on time! Oh, I can't wait! Oh. He said that he... What? I can't hear you!
I think you have the wrong person. I'm not a singer or a rock star. In fact, I'm a terrible singer.
What? What does that mean?
This? I'm an igloo salesman. I have no idea what made you think I'm a rock star.
What? You're not Trumpet the Troubadour?
I have a guitar because I use it in my job, selling igloos. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall.
You call this a concert? Now what are we going to do for Elizabeth's birthday party?
Are you sure about this?
Yes, together for Elizabeth. Countess Elizabeth, I know you are expecting Trumpet the Troubadour, but plans sort of changed. This is our birthday gift for you.
What?
Girl, you'll always be a friend to me. Whenever we're together, you will see that when friends can laugh together through good or bad, whatever. Together, we're better than me. Together, we're better than me.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. That was very rude to take those tickets out of our hands.
Well, it's rude not to invite your sisters to see their favorite singer.
Actually, look in the envelope. There are 4 tickets. I was going to invite you guys too.
What?
But we need to go right now, or else we'll be late.
Really? Right now? We can't go to a Boober concert dressed like this.